All right, let's take this equation on the far right and solve it for r. That's r equals 69 minus b. And by the way, we're trying to find t, and they told me that t is positive. Now let's take this expression for r and substitute it in there. So it gives me 69 minus p equals 6t minus 5. And now let's solve this equation for p, and I'm going to tell you why I'm doing all this in just a minute. And multiply through by -1, it gives me a negative 6t plus a 74. Now, I'm trying to find t. I'm going to substitute this expression, p, in right here. So that gives me negative 6t plus 74 equals 3t squared plus 2. And that's a quadratic equation. I need to get 0 on one side to solve. So that's going to give me 3t squared. Add the 6t to both sides. Subtract the 74 from both sides, and that'll give you a negative 72. Now, every term on both sides contains, you can divide through by 3. Makes my coefficient smaller. It'll be easier for me to factor. All right, so now let's factor. This needs to be a t and t. And a 24 is a 24 and a 1, or a 12 and a 2, or a 6 and a 4. And I want 6 and 4 because the difference here is 2, and my middle term is a 2. So I want it to be plus 6 minus 4. So that's t equal negative 6 and t equal 4, because I set each one of those equal to 0 and solved. And cross that out because t is positive, t is 4. That took me a little less than 2 minutes to work.